Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Today, I just kind of wanted to go over something real quick with you guys, and that's the fact that I actually got my shop press, my 12-ton shop press in. I actually was able to pick this up from Northern Tool, which I was actually supposed to get last week, but apparently got damaged in shipment. But they were able to get it back, send it back over, and I received it today. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the process of setting this thing up, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm temporarily going to set it up in my shop here before I move it to my outdoor shop. So we're going to do that, get that done, and that'll help me get these hubs off the car. So let me get this thing pulled out of the box here and see what we got. So I got everything out the box, everything's unpacked. Again, I'm just gonna set it up over here temporarily, just to be able to use it here in the garage. I don't have to go back and forth, and eventually I'll move it to the shop. I got a little bit of cleaning up out there to do as well, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing assembled, and I'm pretty much gonna follow the instructions here, just to see what we got going on. Got a bag of hardware, got the pump there, the jack, all that good stuff. So let me grab some tools and we'll begin assembling this thing. Alright guys, so I grabbed my tools. I got a 1719, which is used for the fasteners here. So with the instructions, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing mounted up, and hopefully we'll get it done here pretty soon. Shouldn't take too long. So let me start the assembly process. So I got the brackets mounted on the bottom. I'm sure there's probably an easier way to do it. I like things to be a little difficult, but I got the bolts in. Of course, per the instructions, the lock washer goes on the inside with the bolt. Alright guys, so the top section's in. Again, washers on the inside with the nut here. Got the 19mm bolts in both sides. Seems to be going together fairly good. So we'll move on to the next section here, and we'll get closer to getting done. Alright, so I was able to get the jack on, the springs, all that good stuff. Everything seems to be good. There's a little Allen wrench lock there and a 10mm on the bottom. So I was able to get that on. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the middle piece here and see if we can get this thing finished up. Alright, so we got everything on. Everything works. It does kind of seem kind of short. but I'm short, so it actually probably works for me a little bit. I can actually sit down on my stool and work on it, so I think it'll work for me pretty well. One thing I will mention I failed to do, but actually there are some washers that are supposed to go on this side as well. I didn't do that. Maybe I'll get some time and do that, but I'm not too worried about that. It is pretty sturdy. Hopefully everything will work pretty good, and we'll be able to do some pressing here soon. So let's see how it goes. Seems to be more sturdy once it's up in here, so I'm happy with it. Definitely, I think I picked it up for around 160, 170 bucks, something like that, from Northern Tool. It is the Strongway brand. I'll probably use this thing probably a good solid handful of times, but instead of me having to hit out bushings and do things manually, this should be able to suffice my needs. So just make sure you guys install the washers, inside here, so we don't have a pile of them on the floor. And we'll be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this will kind of help you determine if you want to get this or not. We'll put it to the test here in the next video when I do the hub bearings on my Honda and see how well it works to press it out. Assembly is pretty easy, pretty straightforward, not too difficult. The instructions aren't the greatest, but they're not the worst either. But it does help you get it done. Definitely use the picture on the box. That'll help you determine which goes where. It doesn't tell you really what size bolt to put in, what section, though. The holes are milled out enough to you figure it out. So pretty easy to install. It's a 1719. As well as you need an Allen wrench and a 10mm to secure the nut to the frame for the jack itself. But overall, pretty good. So if you like the video, like and comment. If you do like the channel here so far, like, subscribe. Check out the Honda build. We have a lot of stuff coming for that, as well as the Del Sol here soon too. So we'll be good to go. Plus I got to get this glass in, so still waiting on the part for that, which should be here in the next day or so as well. So I'll check you guys in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.